Welcome to Pentaho's Big Data Template of the Week. In this week's session, we'll be connecting to a data warehouse in the cloud, namely Amazon's Redshift. The first step is to open Instaview and select the Redshift template. Our query is already built and ready to run, so I'll make sure I have Redshift selected as the database connection and then click OK. Instaview reaches out to the Amazon cloud and retrieves the data from Redshift. As a district manager who is about to jump on a plane and travel to the corporate office for a large grocery store chain, I'm interested in pulling historical data from my Redshift data warehouse and to temporarily store that data on my laptop for further analysis while traveling. The data in the warehouse shows me the store sales and store costs by store. However, freight costs are managed at the district level. So I'm interested in seeing my sales and costs along with the gross weights by brand and by product to determine if there are opportunities to reduce costs and improve profitability. I drag brand into my report, followed by store sales and store costs. I sort from high to low on store sales, which allows me to view the brands with the highest sales first. Now I will change my view to a column line combo to better visualize my sales versus costs. In this view, I see what I expected. Most brands deliver a solid sales number compared to the cost. But since we pay freight at a district level, I want to include gross weight into the mix, which gives me a quick view of where some freight issues might be. What I see are most of the weights are in line with sales, but I notice several outliers. Over here at the far end, even though my sales are low, I see some spikes that concern me. Selecting just these points and doing a keep only, which shows me just those points on the graph. Now, what I see are two brands with similar costs and sales. But what happens if I introduce product name into the view? The first thing my eye notices is Johnson Grits, which has very high weight, but the store sales are also very high, which is good. Next, I notice oatmeal also has very high weight, but I see very low sales. With this information, I can now focus on the Johnson brand and the oatmeal product specifically to help remedy freight-related profitability issues. In just a very short amount of time, you are able to see just how easy it is to access data from Amazon's Redshift, analyze that data, and drive decisions around improving profitability. In addition, we saw Instaview used to perform big data analytics in a disconnected fashion, enabling a true Analyze Anywhere process. Thanks for watching this week's Template of the Week. For more information, please visit us at pentahobigdata.com.